Phone numbers of WhatsApp web users might have been indexed by Google search.
Recently, WhatsApp updated its privacy policy to mention the sharing of data with Facebook. What's annoying is that you have to agree to it, or risk getting locked out of the app for good. Now there is even a rumor that phone numbers of WhatsApp users are being exposed online. According to Gadgets Now, an independent cybersecurity researcher claimed that info from WhatsApp web was being leaked to Google search. As you can see from the screenshot by UnwireHK, the phone numbers are allegedly part of the URL being indexed by Google. This means that if you know how to use the right search terms, you can find these phone numbers.
A WhatsApp spokesperson said in an earlier statement that since March 2020, WhatsApp has included the no index tag on all deep link pages which, according to Google, will exclude them from indexing. The faulty security of the web version of the Messenger app has resulted in private user data getting indexed by Google, independent cybersecurity expert Raja Shekhar Rajaharia reported on Twitter. Rajaharia claimed that while WhatsApp was using an automated instruction file embedded in its links to instruct Google to not index its link.
WhatsApp's new Terms of Service Privacy Policy Updates 2021. All you need to know before accepting WhatsApp's new Terms of Service. WhatsApp updating its Terms of Service and privacy policy is not new. Most software services do update their services occasionally.
The update sparked criticism among users as they must accept the changes or see their access to the service, which also allows encrypted voice and video calls.
New privacy policy will not impact how people communicate privately with friends or family. The downloads of Signal were likely fueled by Elon Musk and whistleblower Edward Snowden's endorsement on Twitter.
The update sparked criticism among users as they must accept the changes or see their access to the service, which also allows encrypted voice and video calls.
New terms into effect from February 8. More choice to users and businesses. It's industry standard practice. Facebook will use messages it processes. User can block a business anytime. Downloads of the Signal app have seen a 79% increase from India during the period January 1 to January 6 compared to December 26 to December 31. Data from app analytics firm Sensor Tower showed.
The company is communicating directly with users through WhatsApp about the changes so that they can review the new policy over the next month. Social media was abuzz on Friday with people declaring they were going to move to Telegram or Signal, and such discussions also dominated WhatsApp groups.